This faceless YouTube channel recently showed up on my feed. And here's the crazy part. According to Social Blade, they're earning around $8,000 a month using just stock footage, AI voiceovers, and simple edits. After taking a closer look, I realized they focus on trending topics with high RPMs. But what really sets them apart is their script writing. It's so engaging, it kept me watching one of their videos all the way to the end without even noticing. I'm going to show you exactly how they do it, step by step, from picking the perfect topic to using AI for script writing, creating voiceover, and putting it all together with visuals in a clean, fast edit. Stay with me till the end, and you'll learn how to create faceless content with AI and turn it into income. Let's dive in! Our first step is one of the most crucial parts of YouTube automation, picking the right topic. This step can make or break your video. If you choose the wrong topic, chances are your video won't do well. Let me show you an example using a channel we looked at earlier. Most of its videos get around 400,000 to 500,000 views, but one video stands out with over 800,000 views. That's a huge jump, and it tells us something important. When I checked the topic, it was about the economy of China. Clearly, people were more curious about this subject than the others. This shows that the topic matters a lot. You can do the same thing. Look at successful channels, scan through their videos, and spot the ones that got way more views than usual. Those are clues to what your audience wants. From this research, I've decided to make a video about China and its economy, because that topic is proven to grab attention. Next up is our second step, writing the script. Don't worry, I've got a handy prompt formula ready for you. You can find it in the description. Here's how it works. First, decide how long you want your script to be. A good rule of thumb is that 75 words equals about 30 seconds of video. Next, in the examples section of the prompt, paste a few lines from a video you like. For example, I'm using the script from the sample video I mentioned earlier. I am taking the URL of the sample video and going to one of the YouTube Descript websites to copy few lines to include in the prompt. Finally, I am deciding about the topic. In this case, I'll use the future of China's economy, since it's receiving a lot of attention as we saw in the previous step. Here's the customized prompt according to these inputs. Word count is 150 words. Example lines are taken from the original video like I just showed. And the topic is the future of China's economy. Now I am feeding this into ChatGPT and it gives me an original script based on the selected topic and inspired by the example video. The best part? You can use this same method for any topic. Just get a transcript from a video you like, pull out a few good lines, and use the prompt to create your own version. The result has the same confident, informative style as the original, which I really liked. Since this is a tutorial, I've prepared a short script. You can make it longer by increasing the word count in the prompt. By the way, if you're finding this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Now it's time to move on to the voiceover generation. I'm using 11 Labs, one of the top AI voiceover tools out there. The link is in the description if you want to try it for free. After clicking the link and logging in, I go to the Voices tab. Then I use the filters: English, American accent, narrative story, and middle-aged. I test a few voices, and once I find one I like, I click Add to Voices. Now I head back to the dashboard and choose Instant Speech. I copy just one sentence from my script to avoid spending too many credits during testing. I pick the voice I just added and generate the audio. If it sounds a bit fast, I lower the speed a little. Once the pacing feels right, I paste in the full script and hit Generate again. Then I download the voiceover to my computer. Now it's time to bring the voiceover to life with visuals in the editing step. Here's how I turn a script into a video using CapCut. I use Prompt 2 to break our script into scenes, each with a stock visual keyword and an AI visual prompt. I search each keyword on Pixabay. If I find a good match, I download the video. If not, I go back to ChatGPT, use the visual prompt, and generate the scene. Once I have all my visuals, I open CapCut and import the voiceover and footage. Then I trim each visual to match the voiceover timing. I add zoom in and zoom out effects to keep things dynamic. For smoother flow, I insert simple transitions between scenes. Next, I use CapCut's auto caption feature, customize the caption style, and make sure it's easy to read. I also add chill background music to set the mood. Finally, I rewatch the video, make final adjustments, and export the video. And that's how you can create a faceless video using AI, from picking the topic to scriptwriting, voiceover, and editing. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tricks like this. Now, here's the preview of final video we just built.
For years, China's economy dazzled the world. Double-digit growth, booming exports, and a rising middle class. But today, that momentum is faltering. Youth unemployment has hit record highs, real estate giants are defaulting, and consumer confidence is fading. Many local governments are drowning in debt, while Beijing is tightening its grip on the private sector. The global landscape is shifting too. Western countries are rethinking supply chains, and trade tensions are no longer a temporary bump. They're the new normal. Meanwhile, China is betting on self-reliance, pouring resources into semiconductors, green tech, and domestic consumption. But the question remains, can an economy built on exports and infrastructure pivot fast enough? Demographics, debt, and distrust are major headwinds. The core takeaway? China's future is no longer about how fast it grows, but whether it can adapt in time to avoid long-term stagnation.